Then stay tuned.
Anything happens to a bird, fucking buff y'all up.
Well, there goes the bird. Whoa!
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. No.
And there's the bird.
Man, put that camera away before I fucking slap you. Go grab my fucking aunt's bird.
Hey, no, he's the one who's supposed to be grabbing the bird.
I feel it.
That's why I pulled out the videotape. No, he's got it, dude.
Go grab my aunt's bird.
Listen, you know how normally he bites people, right?
I feel it.
He ain't biting Jake.
And he normally bites me.
Alright, well, put that nigga back in the cage.
Hey,
Anything happens, fucking buff.
if anything, he's green, which makes him more of a Mexican than a nigga. So stop calling him a nigga. Crack ass, honk ass, trick ass, mark ass.
You heard what the fuck I said, nigga. If that bird gets hurt, nigga, I'm fucking you up.
No, trust me, I know. Oh my god. I have this on video. I have this on fucking... Derek, you are fucking amazing.
Tell me that
You want to say something at the end of the video?
we're all God.